Are at the famous, I mean, we're talking ultimate. This is his little sign because he's a piano player, but Liberace is with us, and I'm at his home. This is actually where his boyfriend lives now, and he's here just to make sure that he has bread and water. Are you ready? Let me go over here and find it. This is his nice place, and we'll go this way. He didn't make his bed today. Well, look at who's here.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to my establishment. It's so beautiful. Out there in the car, I have a Mercedes, and the license is I'm Cute. Now, I've been playing the piano I've been in the union for 35 years. Isn't that wonderful? I've entertained the whole wide world, and I'm very proud of that.
Yeah, let me move over here so they can see in the lighting. There.
Very well.
There. Oh, that's
You're
better.
just so sweet, and I'm so glad that you're here in my house.
Do you have a brother? I thought you did.
I think his name is Glenn,
Oh,
but I think he don't know where he is.
Oh, I thought it was George.
Oh, it might have been that too. I have so many friends. I just love them all completely.
Oh my gosh.
And I've been playing the piano since I was 5 years old.
What about you like the feet you said earlier?
I love feet. I just love feet because, it makes me tingle when they walk on my back. I just feel that everything about feet. I love to play with toes.
Oh, really? But when you're playing the piano, do you get distracted by your own feet?
Only when I'm hitting the pedals on the bottom.
Do you really? Is that right?
Exactly. Now, I have a house in Palm Springs and one in Las Vegas. Now, my lover, his name is Scott.
Scott. Oh, like the television.
We've been together. He's such a nice boy. I just adore him completely.
I bet he kind of looks a little bit like you more and more these days.
Yes. I want him to look like me, but he wouldn't go for a facelift.
He wouldn't?
No.
I'm sorry to hear that. So go ahead.
My favorite song, when I played with the London Philharmonic, was Chopsticks. Now, I don't think that anybody's ever done that in the London Philharmonic.
No, I don't know.
But I've played in Vegas, and I have my own horse. And a horse. He's a nice little horse. I just love to watch him go to the P.
Oh, no, we don't. We're on a G rating. So
no.
We can't say P. We can't. But it's okay.
No,
but I know
Presley.
Presley.
Yes.
Oh, Presley, like for Elvis.
Yes.
Okay. I like that.
Elvis is such a nice boy. We played together when I had my variety show in Los Angeles. And Frank Sinatra was there, and so I also met Sammy Davis Jr.
Oh my, the Candyman. No.
Frank Sinatra was a very nice guy, but he didn't like me very well because we didn't get along.
Oh wow, maybe he's jealous. You're very nice looking, by the way.
So well, he didn't like me at all.
Well, that's his loss, I guess.
But
no piano playing for him.
I was married to Sonia Hennig. I tried to love women. I really tried to love women.
Well,
they just didn't do it right.
Oh well, yeah, we're G rating. Oh yeah, they were not compatible, right?
There was something about women I just didn't like. It must have been their feet.
Oh, maybe that's it, right? I bet.
Yes.
But that's wonderful. So this is not your humble abode, right? Where we're looking.
This is just one of my hotel suites.
Oh, this is it. I got you. This is actually this is the down. We're in the basement. So
yes. This is a lovely chair.
Oh, I know.
I got this chair at Saks Avenue.
Could you sit in that one? I'd like to.
Yes.
Well, look at
gracious, yes.
That's your favorite.
May I offer you something to drink?
Oh, I'm pretty good. I've stopped drinking my water. I've got Orange Crush right there.
Oh, very well. Yeah.
You were very gracious. Thank you.
Oh, I thank you so very, very much.
So, this is your smoking jacket. Do you smoke?
Not very
only
much.
When you're on fire. I'm still a joke.
Not very much, but I will have a cigarette after a good show, and I like to have a glass of champagne.
Oh, bubbly stuff.
Yes, because it just makes me tingly all over
Oh, wow.
inside.
Stop when you need them. Oh, my. Oh, well, so, guess what? That's my dinner.
Oh.
Guess what I'm having? I'm having a very good dinner. It's chicken la de pie.
Oh, that's good. I love chicken because
It's a pie kind of.
yes, and we have a big kitchen. Okay, may I show you my beautiful kitchen?
Oh, which I would be
yes.
honored, Mister.
Yes.
What's your Liberace's? I was going to say, Mister. What's your last name?
Barachi.
Lee.
Lee Barachi.
Oh, Lee.
Now, over here's my wardrobe. I have this when I
weird.
was a captain on a boat. And over here
I
is
like
my
that.
hat.
Look at that hat.
that I wear,
you know what? Could you do a song? This reminds me of like a song. I love this.
And I have that hat. That's my...
You do a
boating.
song. What is it? Is it the Captain and Tennille song? I love.
Love.
Oh, I love that.
Love
Put the hat
will
on.
keep us together.
Oh, yeah. That's
Think of me, babe, when those girls stop talking you down, showing around. I love you then, and I'll love you now
Isn't it?
because stop. Because I really love you.
I'm sorry.
Stop.
Look at me.
I've been thinking of you. Open your heart, and our love will just keep us together.
That's so wonderful. Bravo, bravo. You know, it's really weird. You look really red on here, so I know it's not you, but just the lighting. So this is your. Oh, what's that? That's.
This is my golf hat.
You know, I picture a pipe in your mouth, or maybe a cigar, maybe.
Oh, I gave up my pipe a long time ago because when
really?
I smoke pipe, it would make me feel dizzy.
It would. It would.
would make
Well,
me
you're
feel
really
very
red.
dizzy.
I don't know why. Let me try this way. No, that's right. Okay. Oh, I see. Because you know something's red.
Oh, very
Let me see
well.
if it's red over here. You're not red though. Let's see. So, do you like playing the piano?
The piano is a very beautiful
Well,
instrument.
sorry to interrupt you. I'm really sorry.
Oh, out here in
what
my
do you think
kitchen.
of those two guys that do the lion and tiger act up in
Oh,
Vegas?
that
What's
was
the-
Siegfried and Roy. It was
Yeah.
such a tragedy that he got bit in the
I
neck.
think he deserved it myself. I don't think they should be messing with tigers and lions and bears. And
no,
oh my.
no.
Oh, but that. Do you like their act? I mean, are they brothers?
No, but
They're
they
sisters.
They
They're
live
sisters,
together.
then.
Yes. And they are cohabitating as one, so I think that's wonderful.
What do you think of same-sex marriage? What's your opinion on that?
I like it.
You.
And I
you
think
really-
because I think gay people are very happy because it
They're
means
very happy.
to be gay means to be happy.
Oh, wow.
Over here is my kitchen.
Oh, yes, look at this.
And over here is
Oh, wait, you lost your little accent there for a minute. I thought you sound like a friend of mine. Like
my good kitchen.
Right.
And in here we have food.
Here's the notes from me. Because I always
Yes.
write notes to you because I'm your biggest fan.
Oh my goodness.
And I'll
Let
tell
me
you,
get
I can say for sure because
All
look,
right, just
there's the fan right
Come
there.
this way, please. And I just
So wait, this is your kitchen, huh?
this is my kitchen. That's my microwave
But
oven.
are you into protein drinks or something? Yeah, let's say fitness, I guess.
Yes,
What are you writing?
I want to give you
good.
my autograph.
I would love that. Could I have that? Thank you.
Yes.
Oh my! Oh look! Let me look at that.
That's-
And that's legible. Wow! Is that like?
Yes.
That's you can't copy that.
No.
What the hell? Let's see. It looks like there's an E.
See, I love chicken so well, I even eat it with my cracker.
Oh, what are you? That's. I think that's a dog food.
Yes,
does
but
it.
it sure does.
It
taste
does.
Good.
It does. Kevin.
And over here I have a little-
Kevin, it says for dogs. Do you know? Are you eating this really?
Yeah.
No. Kevin, are you really eating
Yes,
that?
yes.
It says for dogs. I'm not. Kevin, you're really fucking eating that. Look, right there, dog food. You're eating it.
Oh, that's good. It
No,
is.
I'm kidding you.
Very
I got
well.
to though, didn't I?
And over here, I'm cooking.
Oh, there it is. The
Okay,
lovely-
allow me to get a bowl.
Okay. Oh, you smoke pot? Oh no, bowl. Right.
Oh, a
I'm
bowl,
sorry.
yes. I'm so glad you're my abode.
Oh, I. Ah, that's good. So you.
I can't burn my my hands because my hands are my living. And
I
I
can't myself.
my hands. I can't burn my hands because. That's very, very funny.
No, I'm not. I'm sorry. It's not very funny. It is. It's just the way. Are you okay? Do you want me to get you some butter? To, well, no, that's really bad. Your hands. I'm sorry.
Oh my hands. Well, I'm not playing with my fingers. I'm playing with my toes.
Oh, okay.
My toes, because I love feet.
Well, I said, yeah, right. Wow, that's wonderful. Well, we're going to sign off for now. Mr.
Why, thank you.
Liberace.
Liberace is also, yes, that's
What?
Liberace.
Liberace.
Yes.
Cucaracha.
I'm so grateful that you came into my place. You're invited anytime you want to show up.
I'm so glad. Okay, so we'll say bye for now. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Arigato.
It's very good to see
Arigato.
you.
You know,
May I kiss your
oh,
hand?
certainly. Look, what a lovely man. He's so funny. Now, that's a good thing it's not my foot and never leave your hand.
No.
Okay, ciao.